Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to easily change your Toyota Prius radio. First, gather your tools. You'll need plastic pry tools, a 10mm socket, and a Phillips head screwdriver. Also, have your new aftermarket radio, a compatible dash kit, and a wiring harness adapter ready. Before starting any work, always disconnect the negative terminal of your 12-volt battery to ensure safety. This simple step prevents electrical shorts during the process. Now let's remove the old radio. Begin by using your plastic pry tool to carefully unclip the trim panels around the shifter and the radio itself. These panels are typically held by clips, so gentle but firm pressure works best. Disconnect any electrical connectors from these trim pieces, like the hazard light switch. Next, locate and remove the four 10mm bolts holding the factory radio in place. With the bolts out, gently pull the radio forward and disconnect all the wiring harnesses from its rear. With the old radio out, it's time for the new one. First, attach your new radio to the aftermarket dash kit using the small screws that came with the kit. Then, connect the new wiring harness adapter to your aftermarket radio and the corresponding vehicle harnesses. Make sure all connections are snug, including the antenna adapter and any steering wheel control modules you might be installing. Once wired, carefully slide the entire new radio assembly into the dashboard opening, ensuring no wires are pinched. For the final steps, secure your new radio by reinstalling the four 10mm bolts. Reconnect all electrical harnesses to the trim panels you removed earlier, ensuring each one clicks into place. Carefully snap the trim panels back into their original positions around the radio and shifter, applying even pressure. Finally, reconnect the negative terminal of your 12-volt battery. Turn on your Prius and thoroughly test all functions of your new radio, including audio, Bluetooth, and any new features.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.